Peace FM 104.3. Who to me, Taki?
It's not easy.
I know.
There were many times in school. I come deal. Na say you bell. I want me didi. Na me share. You were a bit of presec. I'm a friend. I'm a DB. I'm a friend. Rakam ton well cooked food. She said nyama watch any salad.
Guasi.
Rakam
Guasi.
Guasi. Rakam omo call ni omo press. Omo skase fa we share. Rakam ye die no. Apart from loan na ya kofa se ko to terminal fees. Shinkan.
Peace FM.
So brother me utina ono mu twem uhwemu saa na ebi mu kra de shito saa free dormitory no mo de abeka wo friend fertilizer ferti mo mix ba kwa mi o mu a wo ye lucky da mo di group no na wa fa group hu nche na wo so abedibi na wa ka che say ni papa ne we nyina akoso wo pese ha
Minka ho
mu di we nyina wa kwa mi tin fish in ma no ma bietum once a one no ma ni bebre udi kakra na watubo ye say na Daniel aduane no enti say we mu Rakami. So Rakami, when you pass through these things, now we show be no call SHS. Now we share send all 90 and all ye nyama. You are compelled to stop and call the person. No business nyama cause. You want to do so Rakami. Now Ekufuado background no free. Say be nyama we American one foul. But how come? Say nipa onu nya free SHS. Your funding no free. Ni papa President Obama can say ni papa can say although you schooled in Achimota we are going to the north. And obviously say why are we leaving the south to the north? A minister son, minister me a storekeeper, my papa a typist. They had the resources to go to GIS, but they went all the way to the north because there was an opportunity. Free school SHS. Now if Obi expensive way, not still you see be more no see here it tells you the fellow has not got compassion. Forget it even if you claim me Njidi say President Obama is that competent like President Kufuor. But you even give him competence if you want. But he's not got the heart for the poor.
Just Onitima.
It is compassion that makes a president say that whatever it takes, start the program now. Now me come there say me Rakami. Me near dimpa. Obey me say me sooner Rakami. So I thought people come saying to you and the ben found the hearing cast they should find ways for me to go down. Rakami say my charge I mean bafom. But who can yama fam mamu pe no my slow Rakami. Because
into your honor you wait me a week.
Rakami who person me kama. Ebia oh me campaign no be afraid me. I try TTB that's my mother's nickname. Na my kama twen. O say me ni umami pa. Umami na mbema so mbema cloth me bu wo me sisa. Rakami.
O cho mami here wa.
Oh Rakami. Na ultimate bonny because she went the extra one. Some catch about me. You see me we field engineers. I had 12 straight ones.
But more be.
Rakami. Oh, me ti boa me kakra. Now I feel the me jubilating no ma me share me do say show. Now oh papa wa he. And I'm saying nyabote na e be go school. But it became serious because admission fees ebinio. Na me mama dey be mbisa no ntuma we nyina dey no won ntuma. Obo no wa no wardrobe on ntuma or some bows bi ya shisha no kama na me hu se hu hia me si we odi here se na nkrofo mu nya middle class and upper class no ntuma ni those things no say ahun kire buy na eton nti me mami me mboni di e pompra me ka che o lejikuku
na so aka che me da
rakami ono no mu yedu those time yen kwara na na nimba ni di car na go school rakami those na o ma me lift kwara me go school me ni aje go ya nantiza Rakami you call no na me mami ka che ni say o ko be go school na aidi na mami manu utensils see oji ani jintuma oji ni nyina no my iska and then we went to presec Rakami every time you be school pe me mami ko ji loan wo Agri Development Bank or the man was who koi say yira men san we chim ba fi Rakami o ma won because be one fan say wa just scan the amount no. But ask yourself, if a family must take a loan 3 times a year to pay school fees, what makes you think say if someone handles this badly the fellow will not be grateful? You see, propaganda can change many things but it can't change a life experience. Obia nimba eko school wako jomu kwai awa sendichi aya sonumu awa to Rakami. It doesn't take platform talk even at Peace FM. So be bon man President Kufuor. So Rakami, compassion is important. Now then Emma aban ka say yariaba na electricity utuano half metu Rakami. There is no law.
Hold on to there's no law.
In Oxford.
Hold on to there's no law. me promise you dispatch rider say me mom number be up to now me fan mom. Enti pacho we dispatch rider na so ye motor rider na say we dispatch services are BBS couriers, BBS for some professionals. At the dispatch riders iti pacho for 020 240 37386. T number nibium 020 240 37386 020 240 37386. Pacho, mon friend, sir, number no. Yes, it's Pacho. Yes,
there is no law I can say a pandemic bar after trying to deal with the scientific infection prevention controls. No,
yeah.
Sir, konakotia electricity bill, taking half the cost, both residential and commercial. There is no law in any of the textbooks. But it is only compassion. Tima and Emma President B who say nipa oye juma because of restricted movement yembano so kotiani bills are I won't share eba reduced inflow because of inflow now but for untimi can say augmenting the same expenditure and to see I'll take half of the cost. Now he who brings water brings life and now you can say still obi a oye Ghana neba kwami if I fache bi o sha boki na ni kra na o Ghana na obunsu a ono me free. So me share me microphone wo attention me catch me say the audience Monica no ba wala like a hero nipa be audience mount. That's why we call before the first thing say I say me mount na water is life. Now gratitude, there is blessing in gratitude. Shira bebre wo akoma twimu gratitude brother me mo kan say akoma pa na see brother me obi yo right now o the wrong shano Yankupon dey still be shani pano but one kasa sometimes say how wow. So brother me this government address or compassion. Now there is another element to mechanism brother me.
Yes.
Apart from compassion, the third one I mean who say President campaign was starting bosupa and the trust element brother me trust. Say nipano or you straight.
Yes, so Presec Y2K brothers wish you well.
Oh brother me I'm
gonna say tell him okay. Tell local boy his Presec Y2K brothers wish him well.
Y2K.
Sydney in Teshi.
Absolutely.
The Presec story Okoboy told is funny, but it is real, Chairman. Very real.
Watching for 3 years. Man touch you or one of these days I'll go and buy food. Just a mayor take away said 10. Now me call them and catch and say Ampa,
for all the years you couldn't afford it.
Broka method 3 years method. Now Broka
yes sir.
Trust said Nipano or can or eden or yo. The trust is important. He said it was said Nipan shell but I war and sana would to me ashen in sem. Now so you be on yet straight on din who cry or bet me catch up be in him because and you won't in our car or to me and they danger. Now President Kufuor Adibako catch you be as obey. I be more crack and say, hey, it will be difficult to implement. Was this SHS? But why did he do it? Look at me. Yankupon enina yeso no yeso no. Yawadi ba ko onfan diagro. When it comes to that na nebri, look at me. O see the kasa no. Wasi konya na watena ho. O see I sit by my word. Making sure that it will come to pass. It might delay. But what I didn't know kasa because o see ni dinu hiano. Nyamio bragami.
Yeah.
Or see Oyobia on control. He's a spirit or your integrity or the integrity in age man. And to see say check right now exactly. Now ye bibi ama abua not only MPP politicians. A man nipa who say politician catch us obey idea and you be an control. Because free SHS, Ekufuor took on what I refer to as the double bed in disease management or epidemiology. You're the referring to double bed dealing with infectious disease. Malaria ni TB ni infection near my a sign. But over time anyone say a bit is say hypertension, diabetes, I no lifestyle no say na bra kwami and also dosu to say infection say no and to friend double bed just say was so now there was a double bed that President Kufuor had to deal with time I started free SHS no now there was another burden of closing the infrastructure gap. So Nana didn't take one challenge. Or see, and I was paying the fees. I'm also holding the fort of building infrastructure. And see, Napoba and Omauti here. The infrastructure you have built in Parliament facility, I pass 1.5 billion facility, secondary school improvement program, SEP. and then every school in this country are infrastructure. Into what I mean? Nana kind or yo. Now, Lekma Road.
Hey, Lekma Road. Tie. Andrews Eche Johnson. Eche says, I want to remind Kwame Sefakai that last year he promised that if Dr. Kobo is able to have the road in front of Lekma constructed, you campaign for him. The road has been constructed. Please honor your promise. Andrews, then you've not been listening to me. I am in full support of Dr. Koboy, and I voted for him. Yes, I did. They say your vote is your secret, but I voted for Okoboy. I did on Tuesday afternoon. Metuma Okoboy. I will let you cook. Me says so be all let you cook be antomano. Me MP no.
Now, Lekman Road, me call President Fie, and I me call Trano. When him and I say, oh, President was Oko, who's the President of Shami or Kankrai? Need the President, no fear no your job, but it's a road.
Yes, I don't catch it.
Yeah, they did a road.
It's a road.
Mafi, I see me Mayama, Bragami. After some time, I me call you second time. And no fear no your job, oh, President. No fear no job. She it's a road. Rakami. Third time be a me for see ni come road. Rakami. Now, not only the road, but the landing beach.
Yeah.
The coastal people almost share landing beach across most of the coastal towns for over a century. Rakami.
Yeah.
Probably a couple no. One single structure here omu friend breakwater an hour. Because some person waves you know have hitting the shore.
Yeah.
So that their canoes can be in calmer waters. Now, I visited Afari for a walk, Lejokuku constituency. One Tuesday morning, I come call. So I'm call up a Tuesday. I went straight early in the morning, and no more minutes, and I'm middle cut now. Canoe, young boy, no come on. We say, oh, come boy. I don't know if I'm go back with your money or what money. Now, so the bizarre question. Question is, da ben na ebesi landing beach amai
landing beach maybe
I'm a landing beach rakami omuka na me edi before me dream the make na obi say oh go money you know na am beach range afoko landing beach afoko mo kwa rakami oni mansa no o si nipa na nimreso
ye be landing
ye won kramba yes rakami o kind I had goose peoples but you see na a projector na me am di nkofa bon komo me the minister of fisheries afoli abon komo. But oh yes, a statement, you know. Tell me how they have longed. Senna, I took it in a positive sense.
And how they've despaired.
Yes.
So, I just said,
I mean, straight. And now, a coincidence. The day I made the video, be chair president, I'm catching and say, when I'm in Crawford, now said, Omusaka, they will support him to their third generation. Was when we visited your house at some program and had some lunch.
Oh, okay.
Early days, you have our program, we were home, and we ate in your house.
Yes.
Now, the one I'm teaching, I say, oh, now, President, so anytime I can landing beach, or answer back for me. Landing beach. Is that fully not your sister? But tell you, please talk to your sister. If your sister is not old, that's when you can come to me. Say, you Martin. Me, Jane. So one day I call her for that. I have talked to President 3 occasions.
Okay, President,
same answer. If your sister is not holding you, why are you coming to give me stress? Afole immediately put this in place. Yakubu Adom 50% complete.
Landing beach.
Now they say no, and upon a shape movement of the stones. Miss doctor. I do a DNA chef for an apartment. I'm free in this. In conclusion,
yes,
there is a story in the Bible. I'm a baby Rakami.
Me too.
The man who was born blind. Papa na ye wunu from Krabem na onhu ade no. O share Yesu Kristo. Ena Yesu o share say omboa no. Ena onhu no mobo. Ena odi ni nsakan no. Ena o sare. Rakami. One son ye papa no hu ade no. Empanyufo bi omo ye teachers of the law say ena ade we kra no papa na o sa oyere no. Ne susum ti say ebi say nya susum papa na susum we adi say den ebi say da ben kra no say rakami ye ko bisa ni parents say na oba no hina na say ni mama say na nipa na ya sa ne no onya kwara o obi a watena wiase for more than 20 years say wo hu ni ade no ade na mo ko bisa no omo beso meko and finally no omo ko bisa nipa no onim say papa no sa oyare no no susum nye no say hey, there is only one thing I know. That first I couldn't see, but now I can see. And it's the one I experienced.
Bottom line,
Rakami. The bottom line is that my brother-in-law, na oba na oko SHS otua fees. The last one I oko Archbishop Potter. Or see all the pick up no draw no. You see, please bring the items and leave. One city and the experience is that I used to pay, but now I don't. Rakami.
Yeah.
Nipa otie ya oye Taylor. I bought anaju 9-10. Now I was so uncle Danny you wako shop because that time here in so kaniano. All on him say I used to sew in the night, but now I spend time with my family. You know what I mean? Yeah. Graduate now all Tioko boy. Why we Sebi, why HR? That's what if you 4 years. There is nothing so frustrating like a man who is so educated and skilled and yet idle. It's the most frustrating experience. So what cost our being? Now so obi our being na I them. Now Rakami, what cost school now mami sa ma odokunu sika no pa this karuka na usam nyina do. Krachia all say 1 cedi.
Ow.
Krachia all ji 2 Ghana. Those times mami timi hwe mi sa tell me SS na afi na ma be ko university no. O say brana okita film na so munye do jibibi kakra na share sa. You say oh time do me o fine. Welcome. So the NAPCO nipa wa benefit from NAPCO. Who the young grant say oji 700 and 800 on him say in the past now it was shameful. Welcome. Now a ferry kratia or we can say mami 5 cedis but say oh bibi won ho wanya de fe no dignity. Welcome. Nipa de say be nipa was so unya some anakakra, especially after passing through all this education. Now they know say this is a man, a government that means so. Meaning next is almost 4 years. Now I'll never forget me a campaign 2015 me share next no 2016 no the ni kunu wofufu na me kasabe brain say okobo say please hold your peace. I'm a nurse matina 4 years, so you don't tell me what to do. I want to experience another government. That nurse today, in fact okobo here so be confused just like the man who was born blind on himself in the past no he idle and net or you ejima hospital. And finally very very important.
Yes, so about the time ni na me mpamo na watching kasa.
Oh Brakami, or you senior, in fact or you uncle. Or a man makuma won. So lastly all I'll say is say abana e ko to Brakami and yet sebi so ko ye kufa do ye people will have that perception say and am ko mo papa juma. Oh kwa ko to aba na wa bon nyama papa no ho ban Brakami na sebi o show and easy and tell upon frefie say na ya dum kania na Brakami wa bra o person so fan kakra na nipa unjiju na o show di wechi abai boni e di o show and e di wechi Brakami no chebi hospital no ma me bi ba me ho Brakami ne ba no nyina rashes o see doctor akwara ne yare bi hwa akwara no so ni e din onum no fo akwara no piano no so piano Brakami akwara no ye din sa na so yare no o see ba doctor hwe no ho nyina rashes am see madam oti yendum kane anajo ye so me kura me hu nyina hye me see hit rashes na ya kura ne sa o show ababone etimi ko saa be du fie o see doctor wakamati etimi draw Sivodem powder Brakami Sivodem green soldier powder o de ye no 1 week o buy no ne nyina hye me see hwe wo ye na gina ye na ababone etimi de o show be fie Brakami yakopon sham. Number 1
Bernard Okoboy, formerly of Presec Legon and KNUST, MP Lejukuku, Deputy Minister of Health. Ayani if you can say Deputy Minister.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.